Welcome to Moter Vision, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, classic throwbacks, and future-forward auto insights. If you're passionate about horsepower, muscle, and heritage, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a ride. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that's roaring back from the golden age of American muscle. It's the 2025 Chevrolet Nova 454. Yes, the legendary Nova nameplate has returned, and Chevy's done something bold, bringing back a big block 454 in a world filled with EVs and hybrids. But this isn't just a nostalgia act. The new Nova 454 is a redefined muscle machine with a brutal attitude and modern engineering. Let's start under the hood, where the heart of this monster lives. The 2025 Nova comes equipped with a 7.4-liter V8 engine, the reincarnation of the iconic 454, but this isn't the booted dinosaur from the 70s. It's a high-output direct injection block producing 650 horsepower and 645 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired to a 10-speed automatic, or, for the purists, a 6-speed Tremec manual that really lets you feel every gear. This car is built to dominate the streets and the strip, with 0 to 60 miles per hour time coming in at just under 3.8 seconds. But muscle isn't just about straight-line speed. Chevy has wisely equipped the Nova 454 with magnetic ride control, Brembo brakes on all 4 corners, and an adaptive suspension that makes it surprisingly agile for a car with this kind of power. You feel the old-school vibes, but it's been infused with 2025 level tech and control. The design, let's just say they nailed the retro-futuristic aesthetic. The silhouette screams late 60s Nova with aggressive modern tweaks, a wide stance, sculpted hood with functional air vents, flared fenders, and LED lighting that echoes the classic quad headlights. The grille is bold and blacked out, and the Nova badge is tastefully embedded into the rear quarter panels. This isn't a copy-paste of the past, it's a respectful evolution that pays tribute without getting lost in it. Step inside, and things get even more interesting. The cabin strikes a fine balance between analog charm and digital sophistication. There's a driver-focused cockpit with a leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and retro-gauge cloisters now fully digital but skinned with a classic theme. A 12.3-inch digital display handles the instrument cluster, and a 13-inch infotainment screen sits in the center, running Chevrolet's latest interface with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full-performance telemetry tracking. The seats are sporty Recaros wrapped in Alcantara and leather, with 454 stitching embossed into the headrests. The interior trim options let you lean into the retro vibe or go full modern muscle, depending on how you spec it. There's even an optional heritage package that brings back houndstooth inserts and a simulated woodgrain dash trim. Now let's talk sound. The exhaust note is a full-throated growl that rumbles and crackles with every blip. There's no fake sound being piped in here, it's all real, all mechanical, and all attitude. Chevy offers an active exhaust system that you can control, so whether you're sneaking through the neighborhood or letting loose on the freeway, you've got options. The 2025 Nova 454 isn't trying to be all things to all people. It's a muscle car, through and through. It doesn't pretend to be an eco-conscious hybrid or a tech-laden luxury cruiser. This is for those who still believe in torque, tire smoke, and the roar of a big block engine. And yet, it's smart, refined, and offers modern-day reliability with that old-school soul. Pricing starts at around $68,000 for the base performance model, but can stretch to over $85,000 fully loaded with carbon fiber aero, the track performance package, and premium audio upgrades. Limited editions are rumored to be in the works, including a possible SS502 variant down the line. For muscle car fans, this isn't just a comeback, it's a statement. The Nova 454 is proof that there's still room in this new automotive world. For raw, unfiltered power, Chevrolet has not only revived a legend, they've reinvented it. This car exists because passion still matters. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Chevrolet Nova 454. Let us know in the comments what you think about this bold return to muscle. Are you all in for the 454 revival? Or do you think it's too late for gas-powered beasts? Thanks for watching Moter Vision. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow geekheads. We'll be back soon with more full-throttle reviews. Until then, drive safe, stay passionate, and never stop revving.